Okay, so about a year and a half ago, my partner and I went to a very small town in near Vernal, Utah called Dragon, which used to be a gilsonite mine that his grandpa and my great grandpa mined at. It's a ghost town now, nobody's there. There's like a couple of crumbled down buildings. But we wandered around, we like looked inside the mines, we saw this really cool gilsonite vein like stripe down the center of a mountain. And while we were there, we were Ben and I were wandering the desert area and like looking for cool rocks or like bugs, and I stumbled across this amazing rib cage. I saw it from like a couple of yards away, and I like immediately ran over and grabbed it. I was so excited. I knew I had to take it home and do something with it. Quit munching on my hair. Look, it's you. Yeah, so I've been, for like a year and a half, I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with it. We moved across country with it, and it was just sitting there. I ended up taking inspiration from those fancy taxidermy accounts that like decorate past animals and with like exposed bone and like flowers coming out and moss and crystals and stuff. And so I took some fake moss I have and some silk flowers, and I just decorated it. And I glued on a couple of crystals I got in bulk, and I have teardrop gems that I strung up on fishing line and strung it up as if it was like raining and dripping water, or like dew drops in the morning. So I had a lot of fun decorating it. It's now hanging up in my art room, and I might bring it down into the main house so I can see it more often. But I really like how it turned out.